Ever heard that HubSpot can write full blog articles for you with just a few clicks? No joke. I'll show you how to use the integrated AI to create SEO-optimized content, including title, outline, and complete text.
Superhacks, the HubSpot Experts. Presented by WPWA Digital.
Hey, I'm Chiara, Project Manager at WPWA Digital. As an official Platinum partner, we support you with everything related to HubSpot. Let's walk through the process of creating a blog post with AI support inside HubSpot. First, we navigate to the content section and select blog to start a new post. Click on the option to start with AI. This helps us build the blog post quickly and efficiently. Now we need to define our topic or idea. Give a short introduction to the topic, just 1 or 2 sentences that explain what the blog post is about. Here we also add the keyword. This is essential for SEO. So we have the example and we are just using the example for us now. And then we just copy the media marketing as keyword. So it matches our key topic. And then next we are going to choose the country. We are going to choose the United Kingdom, and then we have to choose the right language because now we have German and that would be wrong. Now you have the option to put files or upload files in the section reference files and content. If you have written something before and you want to put it into the blog, you just upload it here or you browse it out of your HubSpot account. And last but not least, you can choose the industry, and we are going to take marketing services, and this is the industry for your content. And then we are going to select titles. Now we need to define our topic or idea. Give a short introduction to the topic, just 1 or 2 sentences that explain what the blog post is about. We are going to use the example here and remove the example, so AI is not confused about our topic. Now we are going to add our keyword. This is essential for SEO. Let's take a moment to talk about a keyword. It influences how your blog ranks on Google. So we are going to use the media marketing strategies, so it fits our topic. Then we are going to copy it in here and move to our country of target audience. Here we are going to choose the right country, and we are going to use United Kingdom. And to match our language for this one, we are going to click on English. Now you have the reference files and content. You can upload your file or you can browse it in your HubSpot account. And if you have anything written in Word or you have it as PDF, you can upload it here and AI works with your content. Last but not least, we are going to choose our industry, so the content matches our topic, and we are going to choose marketing services. Enjoying the video so far? Show us with a like. If you don't want to miss anything about HubSpot, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Then we select our title, and based on our keywords, the AI works and brings us some of the topics that would match perfect to our topic. Last but not least, we are going to choose our industry, so the topic matches our content. And then we choose marketing services and select our title. Now, we can choose a title based on our keyword data. So there are a few things we should pay attention to. We have the monthly search volume. This shows how many people are searching for this keyword every month. A high number is generally better because it means more potential traffic. Then we have the difficulty to rank. This tells us how hard it will be to rank on Google for this keyword. A high difficulty means more competition. A lower score means it's easier to rank. Last but not least, we are going to our keyword intents. Here we consider what a user wants to do when they search this keyword. And then we can have a look at our 3 topics. And if you want to change anything in your topic, you just click in it and you can remove something or you can write something in there. HubSpot's rule of thumb. We try to pick keywords and titles that have high search volume and low ranking difficulty. That gives us the best chance of success. So we are going to choose the one with the 10 because it matches the best to our ranking. We are going to click on it and then we go to Review Outline. After everything is done, we have a review. Here you can see everything we've put in there, like our blog post description. And AI generates us some headers. If you want to change anything in the header, you can just put it in there, or you can remove it, or you generate something new with the AI. And after this, if everything is fine for you, you just generate blog posts. Now you can fine-tune the post with a few extra tools. You can highlight text and ask Breeze Copilot to improve it. For example, you click into the box, then you highlight your text, and after this, refine. And there you can apply brand voice, you can rewrite something, you can expand, or you can shorten it. And in the menu above, you can also generate new content for certain sections if needed. For example, you can choose paragraph or heading, you can choose your font, and you can choose the size of your text. And everything else is like you would use it in Word. And in the back, you can insert something like call to actions, or you go to advanced and you can put a source code in it. And if you define your brand voice in HubSpot, you can choose how your brand sounds. If you want to be friendly, professional, or motivating. And if you are defining a persona, you can also choose who are you writing for, because this helps tailor the language and tone of the article. And that's it. You've successfully created a blog post in HubSpot. Do you have any questions or video requests? Want us to make a tutorial on how to customize your blog to match your corporate design? Let us know in the comments. And if you're looking to implement HubSpot in your company or need personalized support, just click the first link in the video description.